Wondering where you can get your cell phone, iPhone, or iPad repaired in Pasco County, Florida? Come to the phone repair centers in Newport Richey. Cracked screen? We can fix that. Missing trackball, broken home buttons, dock connectors, or headset jack? We can fix that. We repair all major cell phone brands, including iPhone 3, 4, and 4S, BlackBerry, Samsung, LG, HTC, Motorola, and more. At phone repair centers, many repairs can be done same day, on-site by our certified cell phone technicians, and backed up by an industry-leading 1-year parts and labor warranty. So come see us at our convenient Newport Richey location, serving Pasco County, surrounding areas, and you. Look for our center located inside the Metro PCS store on US 19.